Here we go on now, Gaza Nation. We have enough different gal in enough different area code where we shot them swear so we have gal like 1+1. What they shabba link me for your trailer load. In a 144 England, we have gal enough like sea to the sun. Watch. Hear me now say. So Stylo G come out and I say, forgive him a couple more here. Him say I'm the king of England in a dancehall. And forgive him a couple more here. And I'm gonna be the dancehall king. So everybody see so well then. Yo, a vybz kartel, him a true all that. But hear me now man. Just listen to the slogan and make we get back to the reasoning. What? And the world, it's not a plan. Hey, watch what I go on. Carefully. Franchise the choosing one. The 10-star general. I don't know what go already, you know. When I come for represent. Hey, full effect thing, man. You know what go? When we load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing then. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about you. Watch me, man. Hey, are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Hey, yo, watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Right about now in a Gaza nation. I don't know if Stylo G want go there with it, you know. That's what I deal with. But one thing I go tell him about Gaza nation, you know. That's when Gaza nation push out strength, you know, from people and see them go like them want get ungrateful with it. Let me tell you something. Park them want come. Be careful in a Stylo G and be careful where you ask and where you gun at, you know. Because remember this, you know. Your vybz kartel never have nothing personally, you know. And I see you put up video and I say, well then, Touchdown was a big song before. Like you said, Touchdown was a big song before vybz kartel and Nicki Minaj remix. That's just a thought. It's not necessarily true. Our uncle over England people ignore it. Is what I deal with? Yeah, it did go on good over England. But not till vybz kartel and Nicki Minaj jump on it before you be knowing worldwide. Especially the whole Caribbean and the whole of North America. So you better stop that shit, you hear me? Because before all of this, you'd have take interview and I say vybz kartel are the greatest, and him are the king, and him are this, and him are that, and I give him all the praises where you do. Don't bother make me have to rise them up and show the people them. And let them know what I talk about. You see me just cut your gimmicks out. You see what I deal with? You better grow up or you're going to get fucking drag up. And then a lollipop thing. Because guys are not laugh with people, you know, you have to know where you are, you know. You see me? You know what I mean? Where all of this has stemmed from. Vybz kartel never come out and violate you. Vybz kartel are artists. The man do song with your baby mother and them shit there. And you go like you want to take things personal. Let me ask you something. You know want she independent. It look like you know want she independent. So it look like you want she keep on running come to you about money business. You know want she independent. Eh? So she asks you for money for a year, you take your responsibility. And you have to tell her she asks you what kind of gimmicks thing you have, man? We are dealing with on the internet. Because we see, you know, how Ramesh, you know, I take care of sense of you and open a sense of you. Life more than even the father, you know, because all you know, no sense of you. And that's why I take care of you. Yo, vybz kartel not a problem do that, you know. Because when I watch chat and laugh, you know, the amount of gal and people I see vybz kartel, I give $1,000 US, you know. So blood clot $4,000. Where you mean where you want to crucify the gal for? I don't think it would have been nothing for back for cartel gear, you know. A whole heap of people, a whole heap of gal can chat and laugh merch, can chat and laugh program can make you know that, you know. Say the world boss now ramp for skin out $1,000 US give them, you know. You see what I deal with? And the youth them, you know, we get the tablet them, you know, we can do them schoolwork, you know, them can testify to that, you know. You see what I deal with? So nobody come on the internet with a lollipop a joke thing in my virgin. They can't mix up the world boss name in them shit there, you know. Because here we go on now, people. When the world boss there road, you know say, and a joke thing. From teachers spread come way, from way before that, from black cartel days, we get girl easier. So I deal with, so I don't know why I go like you feel like so well then, or some form of joking thing. The one thing with the world boss, you can mix up them and the name, say oh the man they take away girl, or girl running in on them and the other man they snatch girl. But you can't mix up them and the name in a some little lollipop thing, like you and the man in a girl competition. You know what I mean? It's not like that. We never see the world boss out the street in a no farmer competition with no farmer girl yet. No farmer boy yet at all about no farmer girl business. I want to tell you, world boss not top girl is and money enough to spend them on naturalists. And when girl careless, them get captured with. I want to tell you. Come on, man. If you want to be frank and get serious about it, or you want me to go all in a certain details right about now, because me hear you say no. You see what I deal with? Me hear you say no like to the way you approach it and go on, and the things them where you say. Let me tell you something. When you talk about you're the king of England and forgive a couple more years, you done the king of dancehall. Let me tell you something. That's just a talk, my virgin. That's not necessarily true. You see what I deal with? That's just a talk. But I like your ambition. You see what I deal with? Yeah. I like your ambition, and it's a great suggester for your confidence. You see what I deal with? But that are just to you. You see me? That are not to the public now, to the dancehall universe. You see what I deal with? Because you have too much people for passing with that. No form of gimmicks thing. You know what I mean? You have too much people to deal with for get to that level there. And you can't put yourself, I mean, like with your work rate, you can put yourself on that level there, but you can't talk yourself into it. Vybz Kartel never do that, talk himself into the king of dancehall. The people them crown him because the work they're there for sure. Now I ask you something, Mr. G. How much hit song you have? You have 10 hit song? I just want to know, you have 10 hit songs. I know your work there ever started. I know your work there ever started. You see what I deal with? I know your work there ever started. And any work you can talk about in England. You can't come nowhere in North America nor in the Caribbean. Come talk nowhere like you did before Popcorn, you did before Massacre them, you did before Alkaline them, the Tamale them, and you know what I mean? Not even Skilly Bang them. You see what I deal with? So you have a whole heap of work. Much less the dancehall royalty them, look at vibes and look at Addy. Eh? You have a whole heap of work for them, my brother. I know your work they ever started. You know what I mean? And we're not gonna lie about it. Yeah, you have a couple hit songs, yeah, we do good and nice and people like it and shit like that. But don't act like you want to be ungrateful. A Vybz Kartel and Nicki Minaj make you be known worldwide, my virgin, and cut your fucker out. You see what I deal with? If the girl says she done, leave her alone, man, you're a star, my virgin, what happened to you? What wrong with you? Eh? And furthermore, any type of argument you and the girl supposed to have, that's supposed to be personal between the both of you, You're not supposed to carry that on social media, Much as you act like you want to mix up the world boss in it. Eh? She not artist and she want to come out and the world boss and have no problem bring her out because you can't do that. And you not do that. Eh? You better cut your fucker out, Because I don't want to really come on it like so well then. I come chat against no man or whatever like that, And that I really want to do, But I have to make you know the fucker where I go on with to stop, Mucho. You see what I say? The farmer joke not in it. You know what I mean? You never be known over the whole Caribbean nor North America until vybz Kartel and Nicki Minaj jump on the track. You see what I deal with? Don't act ungrateful now. You know what I mean? You'll get beaten, my virgin. A real talk now make you know. You know what I mean? And make sure, make you know, for you to be the king of dancehall, you have a whole heap of work. I know your work not start yet. Because first thing, you don't control the street like that. You're not influential, none at all. Because when you see I have no impact, no influential thing upon the youth them, a yard now, the youth them in the Caribbean. So stop it. You know what I mean? You better cut that shit out. I want to start pre, you know, because I want to start pre the work them way I put out and the work them way I do, because you are hype up yourself and you want to put yourself in a big league. So we're going to start pre, we're going to watch what you do. You see what I deal with, because your action poor, my virgin. You know what I mean? As a man. No form of gimmicks that in it. As a man where I say you're a superstar, your action poor. But take care of your youth and load the world boss name out of it, my virgin. You know what I mean? Yeah. And furthermore, you're not supposed to in a back and forth tracing with no girl like that on the internet. It no look good, it no sound good. And right now it smells stinker, the whole internet I smell it. You see what I deal with? Have something about you as a man, my brother. You deal with the baby mother, you deal with her, man. And you deal with her with respect to man. You're not going to deal with her in any type of way. If you are not together, I could have said, well then, yeah. But you are not together, so no, you talk to the girl. But I makes you stop chat shit. You know what I mean? Because you're not going to chat shit and she going to keep her mouth closed. That not going to happen. So if you disrespect her, she going to disrespect you. She going to find the most nasty set of things to say. When you deal with her nasty. You know what I mean? Come on, you're a big man. Grow up, my brother. Snap out of that shit. I want to you. Remember, you know. Nobody at all in a dancehall never fronts for you, you know. When you forward, everybody say yes, youth, you know. Yes, Stylo G, you know. Don't bother go like you want beat. Don't bother go like you want beat the hands of time, you know, my virgin. Because one thing with life, you know. You can't beat the father or you can't beat the time, you know. You hear what I say? And watch the type of ungrateful argument them where you there push out of your mouth, you know.
Yeah, you walked.
You know what I mean? Because you never either say nothing like this, you know, before Lisa Mercedes decides she wants to work with vybz Kartel, you know. You know what I mean? And come like say you have a big headache about that. Or if you have a headache about somebody who locked up in a prison and you're there on the road. You see what I mean? You there on the road, you can't go see her personally. You know what I mean? Yeah, because you know which part she there. And them thing there. What kind of problem you have with the world boss? We're locked up. Yeah? And you're there and I chat shit. I chat shit in a song and I talk shit like against the man you want to go. Yeah? Watch yourself, you know, Stylo. Be careful, you know. Be careful, you know. I just talk to you, you know. Naturally, you know. Actually, you know. And fractally, you know. I know me not start going and give you hurt, you know, my brother. I tell you that, you know. Because I not try to violate you, you know. I want you to understand yourself, you know. Because I'm not form of gimmicks business, you know. You see what I deal with? Because we not easy, you know. I high grade my smoke and I bun beady. You see what I deal with? I'm not deal with lollipop thing. You know what I mean? You have to know a Gaza Mach 90 rifle and Glock thing. You see what I say? I'm going to laugh with it when I drop necessary equipment, a load explosion thing. You know what I mean? So that me I make you know. Cut it out. Because the next time I'm going to explode on the internet. And you probably not going to like it. You see what I deal with? Because one thing with me, I don't deal with gimmicks. And I'm not going to tell no lie. I'm just going to come correct and exact. You know what I mean? And you now can take that at the general 10-star one I represent. What? Yo, 10-star. General. Hey.